Look around you. What is your space like? Tune in and listen. What is the noise around you like? That's what we're talking about today related to your energy. Welcome, this is Sheri with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. I am so glad that you are joining us on this energy journey in this little series on how to improve your energy for productivity, for creativity, for life. If you are new here, big welcome to you. Be sure to subscribe and click the little bell. If you are coming back, glad that you're back. Let's talk about noise and clutter. One of the ways to increase your energy is to control overstimulation. Overstimulation typically comes in a couple of forms. One is visual. What is the clutter around you like? And we're not talking about perfectionism here because perfectionism is just as draining. We're talking about the fact that organized spaces lift your energy, clutter drains it. But what is clutter to you might be cozy to somebody else and vice versa. And also, you don't have to have everything pristine, perfect. If you do, great, wonderful, if that's what you need. Frankly, it's what I need, but I don't have that. So I have to find other ways to increase energy and decrease the clutter. And that means picking spots that have, I guess, the biggest ROI. That the top of my desk, if that is clear, it helps. Not having things on the floor helps. My husband, he likes a kitchen counter that is clean. So I do the cooking, he does the cleaning, and that way he gets to get those kitchen counters the way that puts into his energy. So for you, what are the areas or the spaces that have the biggest impact? And focus on keeping those clutter-free. And everything else, you know, life is life. It's not all going to be perfect. Now, noise. According to Maureen Thompson of the American Hearing, and it's a really long name of the organization. I'm just going to put it on the screen for you all to have it. Maureen says that noise is both fatiguing and draining. So if you are at work and there's constant noise or music or things on that are noise to you, when you get home or on your way home, you may need silence because you're more drained because of that noise. Now, let's talk about what is noise to you. Everybody's brains are wired differently. My coach, because every coach needs a coach, my coach cannot do creative work without some type of music going on for him. So it's on a headset, wherever, but he has to have what I would call noise because my brain thinks better in silence, whereas he likes to have something keeping one part of his brain occupied while the other part is being creative. So find what works for you, and if you are working in a shared space and you need music and somebody else doesn't, please wear a headset because that way the people who need quiet can have quiet. What is noise to you? Control that. What is a cluttered space to you or cozy? Control that stimulation and clean up the areas that are most impactful for you. That will help you with your energy as well. Look forward to seeing you next time in this energy series. Thanks so much for being here. And until next time, find your path and fulfill your potential.